Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be Ryzen 3600 XT with future-proof components. So we will be putting 3060 Ti or 3070 in future. So this is what we are planning to build because the customer really want to put 3060 Ti or 3070 in future. So we'll be building this keeping in mind that this should be compatible with in future. And right now we're going with 1660 Super, and this GPU will be moved to his different PC. So yeah, let me begin with all the components and pricing. The total cost for this PC is 75,500 rupees, and yeah, including free shipping, of course. So let's begin with the PC components and their pricing which we're gonna use in this build, and all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Do check them out because the price which I'm telling you is today's price. In future this may change, and checking the links are always better. I've shared Amazon and our website, both the links. So starting with the processor which we're gonna use for this PC, this will be a more like gaming PC. So this will be Ryzen 5 3600 XT build. This is better than 3600 or 3600X, and also the cooler is a bit better compared to 3600. This is gonna cost you only 22,000 rupees. And for the motherboard we have got Gigabyte B450M Aorus Elite. This is a micro ATX motherboard, as we are going with a smaller case this time. This is NX210. We'll talk about it later. First motherboard we'll talk about B450M Aorus Elite is available for 9,800 rupees, and again this is today's price. Links are given for latest price, and in future it may go up, it may go down. This is what we're gonna use for motherboard. For RAM we have got HyperX Fury. This is 8x2 16 GB, and that's 3200 megahertz. This each RAM costs 3,100 rupees. Recently RAM prices has gone up. The 3600 megahertz prices has really shot up. So for this build we are going with 3200 megahertz, and this is for 6,200 for 2 RAM. That would be I think enough for this build. For SSD we have got XPG S5 256 GB. This is NVMe, and the read speed is 2100 Mbps and the write speed is 1500 Mbps. This is really nice SSD NVMe just for 3,500 rupees. For more storage we have got WD 2TB Blue. This is available for 5,000 rupees. 256 GB won't be enough, so we are putting more storage. This is 2 terabyte available for 5,000 rupees. And for power supply, this is 750 watt gold from Gigabyte. This is gold series and fully modular, just for 7,250 rupees. As I've said in the beginning of this video that we will be putting 3070 or 3060 Ti in future very soon. So as the stocks are not available easily and the prices are really up, so the customer has decided to put the RTX 3060 Ti or 3070 later on. Hence we are going with an upgradable power supply which can run 3060 Ti or 3070 easily. So yeah, this is what we have for 7,250 rupees. It is a great bang for buck with fully modular Japanese capacitor with, you know, really nice brand from Gigabyte. 7,250, not bad Gigabyte. And for the GPU we're gonna use 1660 Super for now. This is available for 23,000 rupees. GPU prices are really fluctuating, so go ahead and check the link to check the latest price. Maybe in future it may go up to 18,000 or maybe 26,000. You don't know, so check the link. For today it's 23,000 rupees. And last but not the least, we have got the great case here from Antec. This is NX210. Has got 4 fans, all RGB, side tempered, front tempered. Great for just 3,700 rupees. Although it doesn't have a PSU shroud, I don't like cabinet without PSU shroud, but again at this price you're getting so much. I think this is what it is. As we're going with micro ATX motherboard, I think this will be great option. So yeah, it can also fit ATX motherboard, but again keeping in mind the size is a bit smaller. So yeah, I don't recommend for ATX builds using this case. You can go with micro ATX motherboard using for this case. So yeah, this is all about 75,500 rupees, and we're gonna build it right now. Alright, so we're done with the PC build. It is performing absolutely great. The cabinet is really beautiful, but trust me, without a modular power supply, the cable management is impossible in this case. So make sure, if in case you are good with cable management, only then go with this case, because it doesn't have the PSU shroud, and routing the cable from behind is a very tough job, especially in a non-modular power supply. So yeah, this is all about the PC build for 75,500 rupees, and I hope you have liked the PC build. Do let me know in the comments if in case you have any questions. Also you can visit techmartunbox.com to chat with our executive about the PC or PC related components. And yeah, that's about the build. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Do check out my Instagram and do follow on Instagram. Thank you for watching.